Enjoying this location so far?
Today, let me introduce you to an exclusive collection of 5 luxurious villas in one of the Algarve's most sought-after locations. Simple Vilamoura is nestled near Vilamoura's stunning beaches, world-class golf courses and a vibrant marina. These homes redefine modern living. Hello, I'm Fred from Mapro. Let's tour around this development together. Simple Vilamoura is a collection of 5 individual villas, each offering a private garden, a serene pool and modern, minimalistic architecture that blends perfectly with its surroundings. The property sizes vary from 561 to 871 square meters. These homes provide plenty of space for comfort and style. Step inside to a spacious light-filled interior. On the ground floor, you'll find an open-plan living and dining area, a fully equipped kitchen with pantry, an office and 2 bathrooms. Every detail has been carefully curated to create seamless flow between indoor and outdoor living. Upstairs, the first floor houses 3 ensuite bedrooms, each with access to their own private outdoor terrace. Throughout the villa, high-quality materials and finishes create an elegant and modern feel. From micro-marble countertops in the bathrooms to solid oak and micro-cement flooring. The lower level adds even more versatility, featuring a laundry area, an additional bathroom and a multi-purpose room that can be transformed into a games room, office or storage space. Set in a secure and intimate private development, Simple Vilamoura is the perfect choice for a vacation home, a permanent residence or an investment opportunity. Discover the elegance of Simple Vilamoura for yourself and schedule your tour today with me.